In this video, I'll show you 5 proven ways to install or fix the IDM extension in Google Chrome. Since every computer is different, be sure to try all 5 methods until you see the extension working in your browser. Let's get straight to the fix. First, let's simply check if the extension is disabled. Go to your Manage Extensions tab, look for the IDM integration module, and make sure the toggle is turned on. The most reliable way to get this working is to completely reinstall the IDM program. Please don't ignore this step. Google stopped supporting older versions of IDM, so a fresh install is often necessary. First, let's uninstall the old version. Go to the Control panel, click Uninstall a Program, find IDM in the list, right-click it, and select Uninstall/Change. When the wizard opens, make sure to select Full. This resets all your settings to default, then click Next and Finish. You will get a prompt to reboot your device. Make sure you click OK and restart. For the sake of this recording, I'm going to click Cancel, but you should reboot. Now that IDM is removed, let's install the latest version. Open Chrome, search for Download Internet Download Manager, and go to their official site. Click the Download button to get the setup file. Once downloaded, open the file and follow the wizard's installation. Just keep hitting Next until it installs. Now, here is the important part. Look for the Action Required or exclamation mark icon in Chrome. You should see an option that says New Extension Added, IDM Module. Click that, then click Enable Extension. Voila, the extension is back. If it hasn't appeared yet, keep watching for the next solution. Another method is to manually load the extension from the IDM installation folder. Open your File Explorer and go to the location where IDM is installed. Look for a file named IDMGCExt. It might end in .crx. Now simply drag and drop that file directly onto your Chrome Extension Manager page. Click Add Extension, and you are done. Finally, we can add it via the Chrome Web Store, but the link is usually hidden. Search for IDM Extension Chrome and click the result that says IDM Extension is not shown from the official IDM site. IDM hides the direct store link for policy reasons, but this page gives us access to it. Click the link provided on this page, and it will redirect you to the official Chrome Web Store. Simply click Add to Chrome, and there you go. Those were the 5 solutions. If you are still facing issues after trying all of these, please comment down below. I'll reply to help you out or make a follow-up video if needed. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye!